All right, we got some good news. We found a bumper from a 2014 and up GMC Chevrolet with the steps in them. So this will be a lot better than the stock one. There's not much left of it.
Not too much. No.
So we're not too sure how this will mount up. We'll take the old one off and see if we need to fabricate brackets or whatever. There's also a dent on it here. I mean, it's all we could find, so we'll make it work. So Tristan today is going to take all these plastic out and try to bang that out and fix it up.
Yeah, I will.
All right, let's go. Alright guys, we'll just give you a quick tip here. If you've ever had to remove the I guess the plastic holder for removing the spare tire, there's this little clip here and we struggled with it, so we'll just show you guys how it's done just in case it could help someone out. So you just get a big pick, you start prying underneath, okay, and it pops out. Doing that all the way around. There's a few tabs that need to come out. Ideally get better picks than I have here.
Nice fat one. Look at this.
So that used to be a 90-degree bend. You probably just jam whatever now.
There we go.
There we go. So this outer ring pops out here.
Which way does this pick go? I don't know.
There we go. And then you can just easily pry off that ring. There you go. She's out.
The easiest thing I've ever done.
All right.
So, we got her done. Now, the easy part.
So, now that we have that trim part off, it's pretty easy to access the back of where the dent is. So, we'll just bang it out as best we can. So, time to take this old bumper off. Some of the bolts might be seized in there, so clearly we won't be reusing this, so I might just chop it up to get access to the bolts and stuff. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Of course, the last bolt is being stubborn. Now that all the brackets are off, let's see what it would take to mount the other bumper. Well, That's a little bit too easy. The brackets line up perfectly. I don't think the holes are perfect. I'll just have to drill a couple new holes. But that's awesome. All right, so check this out. It fits pretty much perfectly. I haven't put the trim back on because we still need to paint the bumper. But as you can see, the fitment of this 2014 and up bumper compared to the stock one is pretty much identical. I also put on the tailgate just to make sure everything clears, and looks really good there too. Don't worry, we're changing this tailgate. So for now, I just put in one bolt to hold it in place. So the main difference between these ones and the stock one, so the stock one uses this hole here and this one up here and then one at the bottom with this bolt. So with these new bumpers, you just need to lift it up. So the bottom hole from the bracket will be in the stock top hole, and then I'll just drill a couple new holes up here and another one here. So now I have the bumper roughly in the position I want it. I'm going to mark my holes and drill a couple new ones. All right, all our holes are drilled and ready for that new bumper, but we're not going to put it on just yet because our next step is to take this box off and replace it with the one right there. And while it's off, we'll also tackle the cab corners. So if you want to see the bumper installed in its final state with the trim around it and everything, you're just going to have to tune into a future episode. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our episodes. For now, let's try to get this thing off. Okay, once that's out, you can, I don't know, we didn't watch the video all the way that far.